Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through Looker Studio tutorial for beginners. First things first, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar type Looker Studio and now choose this first website. And once you're here, you will see a clean interface with the Looker Studio logo at the top left and a bunch of options below. Right away, you will notice it says start with a template. So there are plenty of templates to explore, like a blank report, a Google Ads overview, YouTube channel report, and many more. So you can start from a template or build from scratch. So for this tutorial, let's build a report step by step. For this, click on Create at the top and then from the drop-down choose Report. Now before we go any further, you will be prompted to complete your account setup. So choose your country from the list and make sure it's accurate and then add your company name and it doesn't matter much and you can always change it later. You will get a quick explanation of how Looker Studio works, connect data, bring insights together, and build dashboards easily. So choose Continue. Now you will be asked to select what kind of updates you would like to receive. You can choose to get tips, product announcement. Personally, I'm going with no because I don't want my inbox flooded. And then click Continue. And you're now in your first untitled report. Now we will add data to this report. This is a crucial step because Looker Studio does not work without a data source. To do this, Looker Studio uses something called connectors. Now, these are the tools that help pull in your data. At the top, you will see Google connectors like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, YouTube Analytics, and much more. Scroll down, and you will also notice partner connectors. These are third party options like Supermatrix, and these are useful if you want to pull data from places like Facebook or LinkedIn, which do not have native Google connectors. Now let's select Google Analytics for this example. Click on it and then choose Authorize to authorize access to your Google Analytics account. After that, select your account and then choose the property that you want to connect to. So I'm going to select a property, this one, and once you're done, click on Add and then choose Add to Report. Now, as soon as you add your data, you will see that a table is automatically added to your report. Now, this is where you design everything. At the top, you will see different options, and we also have insert. Now, this option lets you add visualization. These include time series chart, column charts, pie charts, tables, maps, and much more. Now that the table is selected, look to the right hand panel, and this is where you control everything. So, there are two columns here. The first one is for changing chart style and visual option, and the second one shows all the available fields so you can modify which data shows up. So let's create a simple dashboard that shows how people are finding your website. Right now, the dimension might say event name. So click on current dimension, search for session default, and click on it. Now you are showing traffic by marketing channel. To go further, scroll down and click on add more metrics. And here you can add metrics like average purchase revenue, ARPU, and you can add more fields. You can edit styles or even blend different data sources together. And that's a quick intro to getting started with Looker Studio. Okay, now in the second column, you will see marketing channel widgets and prompts, which is also pretty simple and pretty easy. And here you can see I have all these different data sources, ad sources that you can add again, pretty simple and easy stuff to get your head around. Different country IDs data here, and it's just a whole suite of how things actually work with, your proper untitled report. And that's it. Your very first Looker Studio dashboard is ready.